I can't tell.
This guy just followed us up here, dude, when we got here. Can't be filming, too much professional gear.
Yeah.
I mean,
we're not professionals.
It's not professional.
Yeah.
Bro, not even 5 minutes, we just came in and he's already like, yeah, you can't film here. That's how you know the shots are gonna be fire, bro. Thinking it's the wrong way to go in, but it's the right way. It's just U-turning.
Out here in downtown LA, we got this dope Dakar Yellow E92 M3, and today is gonna be a cool little sunset nighttime shoot in downtown. But yeah, today's shoot should be pretty cool, so let's get to it. Just go for it.
Got the drone here.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get some drone shots.
Take off.
Oh my goodness. Boom! First take. First take. Like that. We're about to get some rollers. Hopefully it's not too busy. Try to capture some downtown views in the background. Should be fun. It was a fun day. I'm so glad that I made time for this.